In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block people from your Facebook page. If you manage a Facebook page, keeping your community safe and on topic is essential. Blocking is a direct way to prevent problem accounts from commenting, messaging, or otherwise interacting with your page. I'll walk you through the exact path in Facebook's settings, explain the two blocking options you can use, and share a few tips to help you choose the right account before you confirm. Start on your Facebook page while logged in to the account that has the appropriate page role, such as admin or moderator. From there, open Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find settings in the left-hand sidebar of your page dashboard. Once you're in, look for Audience and Visibility and click on Blocking. This section is designed specifically for managing who can and can't interact with your page. Next, find the area labeled Block Profiles and Pages and click Edit. This opens the tools you'll use to add accounts to your block list. You'll see two choices for how to proceed. The first is Add Users to Block List. Use this when you know the name of a profile or page you want to block. Start typing the name, review the search results, and select the correct account. It helps to double-check profile pictures, verification badges, and any unique details if the name is common. The second option is Add Followers to Block List. This lets you browse or search the people who currently follow your page and choose someone to block directly from that list. It's handy when the person causing issues is already following you, because you'll see them exactly as they appear in your follower list. After you've chosen the correct profile or page, click Block to confirm. Facebook may prompt you to confirm your choice one more time. Once confirmed, the account is added to your block list. You can revisit this same blocking area anytime to review who you've blocked or to remove someone if needed. When someone is blocked, they can't interact with your page. That means no comments, messages, likes, tags, or other engagement with your page's content. This is different from simply hiding a comment or muting someone. Blocking stops future interaction across the board. To recap the path, go to your page, open Settings, select Audience and Visibility, then Blocking, click Edit under Blog Profiles and Pages, choose either Add Users or Add Followers, pick the right account, and click Block to confirm. With these steps, you'll keep your page's conversation healthy, relevant, and safe for your community.